Good morning, children. Today we are here to revise the chapter tense. Okay. Now tense is very important. You should learn tense properly. Otherwise you cannot speak properly. Okay. That you know that a sentence must have a verb. Okay. And the verb tells you in which tense it is. The sentence is in which tense. Okay. So you see, there are three types of tenses. Okay? Present, past and future. Present, past and future. Okay? Now, the present is whatever is happening now. Whatever happens every day. That is, this is now or today. Okay? Then you have the past tense. That is yesterday. Yesterday. That is past. Okay? And future will be tomorrow. Always remember this. Okay? Present is today, past is yesterday and future is tomorrow. Okay? So today is the present. Whatever you do every day and whatever you are doing now, like you read, you write, you dance, you sing, all these are present tense. Okay? Now that is we are doing every day. Every day I go to school. Every day I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Okay? Every day I practice writing. Every day I read my books. Okay? This way you have in the present tense that you do every day and today. Next is the past tense. Yesterday I read a storybook. Yesterday I played with my little brother. Okay? Yesterday the sun rose at 5 o'clock. So now see children, from present to past, you know that you have to change the verb from present to past. So you know that you have to learn the forms of the verb. That is, that you have in this chapter tense. You see, like read, read, play, played, climb, climbed. So the climb is the present tense and you are changing it to past tense, it becomes climbed. Okay? So you must know the words which will be used to make a verb, turn a verb from present to past. Okay? So you have many words, many verbs in your book, you see. In the chapter tense, you learn them properly with spellings and how they are used. Okay? Now these two you are having present and past, that is today and yesterday. Now what about future? Future tense is the tense that you have never seen. Okay? That will be coming. That is called future tense. The verb, the work that will be done, not yet done. Okay? That we are thinking of, that is future tense. So future tense, in future tense, we will have to add will or shall to make the verb future. Like, I will go to school next month. Okay? Now children, see, as I have told you that for I and we use shall after them. I shall, we shall. But you can use will or shall, anyone for making future in any word you like. Okay? After any noun or pronoun you are using. Okay, so they will go to the park in the evening. All these, that is in the future, yet to come. That is the future tense. Okay, so what are the three tenses I told you? That present, past and future. Now children, what you are learning this year, it is these tenses, these past, present and future has many other types also. But this year you are going to learn about the simple present tense, the simple past tense and the simple future tense. That only I have discussed with you. Okay? Simple present tense, that is I play or I play, she plays, they play. You are aware that when the subject is singular, when the noun or the pronoun is singular, you use s after the verb, and when the noun or the pronoun is plural, you do not use s with the verb. So that you have to maintain. Like she is singular. You will use after she plays, he plays, okay? And they is plural. So after they we will use they play, we play, okay? So because we, they are plural pronouns. So for present tense you have this, okay? Now for past tense, that is simple past, you just say she played, he played. We don't have any differences in them. For he, she, they, we, for all we say played. We played, they played, she played, he played, any. That means you are using the past form of the verb play. Okay? Now next for the future tense. I told you that you have to add shall or will to make a turn of verb into future. So what you will write? Simply you will write, and be very careful children for the, so let me tell about the future tense, that in the future tense when you are adding the shall or will, what do? You never write the verb in past form. Always you have to take it in the present form only. She shall or will play, and never plays. This is wrong. You never add s with it. Whether it is she will play, they will play, we will play, in all for singular and plural, we never add s with the verb. Okay? So these are the three forms that you have learned: past, present and future. And whenever you are telling about them, you should say simple present, simple past and simple future. So how to change? Like I speak, I spoke, I shall speak, or we sell, we sold, we shall sell. Okay, let's see. We are taking the present form with the future, that is shall and will plus present form of the verb. He thinks, he thought, he will think. So the sentence is, see again, we are writing that she thinks. This is the present form. She thought. This is the past form of think and future. So this is present. This is past. And when we are writing the future tense, that she will, again we are bringing think to this place. Think. She will think. This is future tense. So, to change a verb from present tense to future tense, that is, you never change present to past and to past to future. No, always we change from present to past and again from present to future. Okay, so this will be the change. So learn more and more verbs and their forms of present and past. Okay children, thank you.